Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'll show you how to make live audio sound better on your live streams. It's often the case when we're live streaming, we've got multiple different sources, all at different volume levels, and it'd be lovely if we could level that out in real time without having to do it ourselves. So you might have a guest speaking louder than you, a Skype caller that's really quiet, and then a jingle that bursts out, and you don't want to give your listener or viewer a bad experience by having them turn up and down the volume all the time and deafening them when you play a jingle. Playlist Writer from Waves was designed exactly for this purpose, leveling out all of your audio so you don't have to do it. And if you use my link, mrc.fm/waves, you'll get a 10% discount on that plugin that's out right this minute. So let me show you how it works. Okay, I've got my audio input capture at the moment with no audio coming through on OBS Studio. Now the cool thing is, if I go ahead and let's add in a working audio input capture here to OBS. Let's go for instance, I know my Soundcraft device is working. So let's just add in Soundcraft Master, and you'll see my levels there coming up nicely. That's really good. On OBS specifically, you can add in VST filters. So you can grab your Waves VST plugin right in OBS. But what if you're using Wirecast? I use Wirecast quite a lot, and it doesn't have the ability to add VST or audio unit plugins. Well, you can do it using two pieces of software I use all the time and love from Rogue Amoeba, Audio Hijack to add in that plugin in real time, by the way, and then Loopback to create an audio device that you can add to any live streaming software like Wirecast, OBS, vMix, or whatever you like. So let's see how this works. By the way, links in the description for both these pieces of software. Let's create a new session first and foremost in Audio Hijack. It's going to be a blank session. And this is like an if this then that for audio. It really is very, very cool indeed. So first of all, we need an input device. And for this, I'm going to select in the settings, the Soundcraft Master. And if I test it by enabling, boom, there is my speech in real time. How cool is that? Switch off and then back on. You need to enable it down here. Now it will allow me to add any plugin I've got on my system, and I've got a lot of them, into the mix in real time. This is really cool. So we're looking for Waves Playlist Rider. Let's find it. Waves Playlist Rider. A little bit further up, Mike. We'll get there eventually. Waves Playlist Rider. Add it into the mix. It's like if this then that, boom, it's now writing into Playlist Rider, and as I talk in real time, this gain control is fading me up and down. So when I'm talking quite loudly at the moment, it's faded me down just a little bit. But of course, when I talk quietly, see that in real time, it's fading me up. How amazing is that? And then I'm going to get really loud and excited and it's fading me down. So it will level everything out on your live stream perfectly. There's a brilliant plugin from Waves, does the job. Now, of course, I've got attack set to slow here. If you're working with dialogue, you definitely want to go for fast because it works even quicker so that your live stream can be at a consistent level all the time. Tonal character is good as it sets the to do it really simply for you because this is using pink noise curves and things like that. But essentially it's making all your speakers and jingles sound the same. So you have that consistent sound on your stream as well. Really good feature to have on. And then just finally, target loudness, so important with live streams, right in the middle. For YouTube, it is -14. So we'll click that, boom, it does the adjustments to be at -14 for your target loudness, which is absolutely mind-blowing. You don't need to do anything more than just select -14 there. And of course, if we don't hit that loudness standard, YouTube will crush and compress our audio. So will other live streaming platforms like Twitch, Periscope, to make sure that you sound great on their platform. That's all very well. Now, how do I get it into OBS or Wirecast? Well, this is where Loopback comes into play because we need to create an output device. So new virtual device. I'll leave it as Loopback Audio. That is absolutely fine. Add my output device. Hi. Oh, I'm going to the Soundcraft desk. I want to change it over, so I get rid of the echo. To Loopback Audio, and you'll see straight away, boom, this comes alive. Loopback Audio now has the real-time playlist writer working away on my audio and leveling things out. So now it's a simple case of removing this old audio input capture in OBS or adding it in something like Wirecast. It's just available in your audio devices now. You'll see right here, Loopback Audio available. Click OK, and this is being processed in real time. Turn that down just a little bit so we get the right levels there. There we go. Wow, fantastic. I'm in the middle, and I'm never going to go too quiet or too loud because Playlist Writer is working like a beast to make me sound as good as I can in a live scenario. Really, really good stuff. I wanted to show you one more thing because you can actually record as well using this Audio Hijack piece of software. So I can actually go ahead and add this into the chain and record as well. Now it's recording an MP3 file of this audio. And I wanted to do that so I can show you one other plugin that I really love. It changes your voice. It's a voice changer in real time. Great for live streaming pranks and things like that. And let's find it. It's under the O's. Let's find the O's. A little bit further down. We'll get there eventually. And I'm looking for a plugin that I've got called Ovox. Ovox. Absolutely amazing. Let's add this into the mix right here. It's going to go right about there and do this to my voice. Hello there. Whoa, this is insane. Let's go through a few presets like this. Hello. Hello there. This sounds very interesting. And how about speaking like this? And of course, there is this. OMG. Let's delete that block and finish this video on a positive note saying Playlist Writer, Ovox, both available from Waves using my link at a 10% discount. Go to mrc.fm/waves. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe for more just like this.